So tired. So tired.
Mom!
Shake it off, Bubs.
Casey.
Oh, he's not gonna make it.
Hi, Bubs. That's like an on-off switch.
That's what I did to him when I go to him.
He's already so tired. I snort. Poor baby. He's never done that before.
Granny wore him out today. Oh, almost finished.
I will tell y'all this, I did let him fall off the bed yesterday. My time is his time.
Well, you finished all that?
Good job. Go get my trash.
Hey, go put your shoes on. We gotta go.
Which reminds me, I'm going to put the can of those cherries in the refrigerator.